Hello everyone, hope you all are safe. Myself Shifa Miman from Standard 10C studying in St. Xavier School, Kuch. Everyone should learn computer as it increases our productivity and improves our language skills. I am very much thankful to Ruzat ma'am for giving me this opportunity to represent myself on this platform. Today I am here with some important MCQs from chapter 6 Data Editing and Formatting in Calc. So let's start with today's video. First, which is the basic unit data for storing in worksheet? A worksheet, B cell, C row, and D column. And the correct answer is B cell. Second, what is horizontal line known as? A column, B row, C cell, and D worksheet. And the correct answer is B row. Third, what is vertical line known as? A worksheet, B cell, C row, and D column. And the correct answer is D column. Fourth, what is the intersection of row and column known as? A row, B column, C worksheet, and D cell. And the correct answer is D cell. Fifth, which type of information can be entered in a cell? A data, B formula, C function, and D all of these. And the correct answer is D all of these. 6. Changing the property of cell is known as what? A. Editing a cell, B. Formatting a cell, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Formatting a cell. 7th. What we can use to format a cell? A. Format cells, B. Formatting toolbar, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 8th. What is used to arrange data in proper manner? A. Data formatting, B. Data sorting, C. Data editing, and D. Data inserting. And the correct answer is B. Data sorting. 9th. What is the other name of spreadsheet? A. Master sheet, B. Base sheet, C. Worksheet, and D. Working sheet. And the correct answer is C. Worksheet. 10th. How many ways are there to create a new document? A2, B3, C4, and D5. And the correct answer is B3. 11th. Which of the following option is used to change the file formats while saving a worksheet? A file, B file name, C file type, and D none of these. And the correct answer is C file type. 12th. What is done many times in a worksheet? A. Opening a new or an existing spreadsheet, B. Saving the spreadsheet, C. Adding or deleting spreadsheet, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 13th. Which option is used to open a new spreadsheet? A. File and spreadsheet, B. File and new and spreadsheet, C. File and open and spreadsheet, and D. File and add and spreadsheet. And the correct answer is B. File and new and spreadsheet. 14th. What is the shortcut key to open a new document? A. Ctrl plus D, B. Ctrl plus F, C. Ctrl plus N, and D. Ctrl plus N. And the correct answer is D. Ctrl plus N. 15th. By default, how many worksheets are displayed? A2, B3, C4, and D5. And the correct answer is B3. 16th. Which is the option to open an existing document? A. File and open, B. File and start, C. File and display, and D. File and new. And the correct answer is A. File and open. 17th. What is the shortcut key to open an existing document? A. Ctrl plus N, B. Ctrl plus D, C. Ctrl plus O, and D. Ctrl plus X. And the correct answer is C. Ctrl plus O. 18th. How can you open documents folder? A. Places in documents, B. File in documents, C. Open in documents, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Places in documents. 19th. Which feature is given by Ubuntu to search a file? A. Search utility, B. Find, C. Replace, and D. Navigation. And the correct answer is A. Search utility. 20th. What is to be entered in the name contains field of search for files dialog box? A. Name of the file name. B. Part of the file name. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Part of the file name. 21st. Which button is pressed after giving information in search for files dialog box? A. Search. B. Look. C. Find. And D. Invent. And the correct answer is C. Find. 22nd. What is displayed as a result of search for files? A. List of files. B. List of folders. C. List of directories. And D. List of networks. And the correct answer is A. List of files. 23rd. How can we find the files? A. View and search for files. B. File and search for files. C. Places and search for files. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Places and search for files. 24th. Which option is used to save a spreadsheet file? A. File and save. B. File and save as. C. File and store. And D. File and store as. And the correct answer is A. File and save. 25th. Which option is useful to save a file with other name? A. File and save. B. File and save as. C. File and store. And D. File and store as. And the correct answer is B. File and save as. 26. What is to be entered if the file is to be saved for the first time? A. File name. B. Path to save file. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 27th. Which option is used to close the open spreadsheet? A. File and close. B. File and shut. C. File and end. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. File and close. 28. Using which file format you can save your worksheet? A.ods, .ots and .dbf. B.xlsx and .xls. C.csv, .pdf and .html. And D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 29. What is the extension for database file format? A.ods, B.ots, C.pdf and D.dbf. And the correct answer is .dbf. 30th. What is the extension of the file in Calc? A.ode, B.ods, C.odg and D.odb. And the correct answer is B.ods. 31st. What is the extension for template format in Calc? A.dbf, B.ots, C.ods and D.csv. And the correct answer is B.ots. 32nd. What is the extension for files which are typically used for data exchange among various programs? A.html, B.pdf, C.csv and D.xlsx. And the correct answer is C.csv. 33rd. What is the extension for files which are used for web page format? A.html, B.pdf, C.xlsx and D.xls. And the correct answer is A.html. 34th. Which option is a universal ad hoc format of a portable document? A.html, B.pdf, C.xlsx and D.xls. And the correct answer is B.pdf. 35th. Which format is used most frequently? A. PDF, B. PPT, C. XLS and D. DOC. And the correct answer is A. PDF. 36th. In how many ways we can rename a worksheet? A1, B2, C3 and D4. And the correct answer is B2. 37th. Which option changes the name of a worksheet? A. File and sheet and rename. B. View and sheet and rename. C. Edit and sheet and rename. And D. Format and sheet and rename. And the correct answer is D. Format and sheet and rename. 38. How many worksheets can be added at time in insert sheet dialog box? A1, B2, C3 and D many. And the correct answer is D many. 39th. Which option is used to change color of a worksheet? A. Change color. B. Tap color. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Tap color. 14th. To insert a new worksheet, what is selected by right-clicking on the Sheet tab? A. New sheet. B. Add sheet. C. Insert sheet. And D. Put sheet. And the correct answer is C. Insert sheet. 41st. Which option is used to insert a new worksheet? A. Format and sheet. B. Edit and sheet. C. Insert and sheet. And D. File and sheet. And the correct answer is C. Insert and sheet. 42nd. Which option is used to delete the worksheet? A. Edit and sheet and delete. B. File and sheet and delete. C. Insert and sheet and delete. And D. Format and sheet and delete. And the correct answer is A. Edit and sheet and delete. 43rd. Which is the option to insert a new row in worksheet? A. File and rows. B. Edit and rows. C. Format and rows. And D. Insert and rows. And the correct answer is D. Insert and rows. 44th. Which is the option to insert a new column in worksheet? A. File and column. B. Edit and column. C. Format and column. And D. Insert and column. And the correct answer is D. Insert and column. 45th. What is the default width of column in centimeters? A. 2.25. B. 2.26. C. 2.27. And D. 2.28. And the correct answer is C. 2.27. 46th. What is the default height of row in centimeters? A. 0.47. B. 0.48. C. 0.49. And D. 0.50. And the correct answer is A. 0.47. 47th. Which option is useful to change width of column? A. Format and column and width. B. File and column and width. C. Insert and column and width. And D. Edit and column and width. And the correct answer is A. Format and column and width. 48. Which option is useful to change height of row? A. Format and row and height. B. File and row and height. C. Insert and row and height. And D. Edit and row and height. And the correct answer is A. Format and row and height. 49th. Which option is used to change measurement of height and width of cell? A. Format and options and general. B. Tools and options and general. C. Edit and options and general. And D. File and options and general. And the correct answer is B. Tools and options and general. 50th. Which type of data can be entered in a cell? A. Text. B. Formula. C. Relative cells. And D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 51st. Which option is used to make headers of rows and columns always visible? A. Freeze. B. Fixed. C. Visible. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Freeze. 52nd. Which option is useful to keep row or column header always visible? A. File and freeze. B. View and freeze. C. Insert and freeze. And D. Window and freeze. And the correct answer is D. Window and freeze. 53rd. Which key is used to select random cells? A. Alter. B. Shift. C. Tab. And D. Control. And the correct answer is C. Tab. 54th. Which key is used to hold down if cells are not physically adjacent? A. Alter. B. Shift. C. Tab. And D. Control. And the correct answer is B. Shift. 55th. Which are the different options available in the Delete Contents dialog box? A. Delete all text and numbers. B. Date and time and formulas. C. Notes, formats and objects. And D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 56th. How copied data will be highlighted in a spreadsheet? A. Dotted square. B. Dotted circle. C. Dotted rectangle. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Dotted rectangle. 57th. Which option from delete contents dialog box is used to delete the entire content of a cell or cell range? A. Delete, B. Delete all, C. Objects, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Delete all. 58th. Which option from delete contents dialog box is used to delete additional elements of a cell such as images? A. Delete, B. Delete all, C. Objects, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Objects. 59th. Which option is used for additional paste? A. Format and paste special, B. Edit and paste special, C. Find and paste special, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Edit and paste special. 60th. How many choices are available in paste special? A1, B3, C5, and D7. And the correct answer is D7. 61st. Which option is used to fill the data automatically in the cells? A. Automatic, B. Autofill, C. Autofit, and D. Autotype. And the correct answer is B. Autofill. 62nd. The series created by autofill is known as what? A. Autotype series, B. Automatic series, C. Autofit series, and D. Autofill series. And the correct answer is D. Autofill series. 63rd. Which address of the cell changes by copying the formula? A. Absolute address, B. Relative address, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Relative address. 64th. Which address of the cell does not change by copying the formula? A. Absolute address, B. Relative address, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Absolute address. 65th. Which sign is used to create absolute cell address? A. Hash, B. Percentage, C. Dollar, and D. Ampersand. And the correct answer is C. Dollar. 66. Which address suggests the exact location of a cell? A. Absolute address, B. Relative address, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Relative address. 67th. If we move a cell containing equal to A.4, what will happen to the cell numbers used in formula? The cell row and column are changed at destination. B. The cell row numbers are changed at destination. C. The cell column numbers are changed at destination. And D. Nothing will be changed. And the correct answer is C. The cell column numbers are changed at destination. 68. If we move a cell containing equal to $A4, what will happen to the cell numbers used in formula? A. The cell rows and columns are fixed. B. The cell rows and numbers are fixed. C. The cell column numbers are fixed. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. The cell column numbers are fixed. 69th. If we move a cell containing $A4, what will happen to the cell numbers used in formula? A. The cell rows and columns are fixed. B. The cell row numbers are fixed. C. The cell column numbers are fixed. And D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. The cell rows and columns are fixed. 17th. Which category is form numbers in format cells dialog box? A. Number and percent, B. Date and time, C. Currency and scientific, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 71st. Which category is available in numbers type of format cells dialog box? A. English USA, B. English India, C. English UK, and D. English US. And the correct answer is B. English India. 72nd. What is the arrangement of data known as? A. Data filtering, B. Data sorting, C. Data inserting, and D. Data validation. And the correct answer is B. Data sorting. 73rd. Which of the following arranges the data in ascending or descending order? A. Data filtering, B. Data sorting, C. Data inserting, and D. Data validation. And the correct answer is B. Data sorting. 74th. In which of the following order data can be sorted in a spreadsheet? A. Ascending, B. Descending, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 75th. How many levels can you sort data in Calc? A1, B2, C3 and D4, and the correct answer is C3. 76. Which option is used to sort data? A. Format and sort, B. Edit and sort, C. Tools and sort, and D. Data and sort. And the correct answer is D. Data and sort. 77th. On which of the following sorting can be done? A. Text, B. Numeric data, C. Date information, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 78th. Which option is used to filter out unnecessary data and present only wanted data? A. Data filtering, B. Data sorting, C. Data inserting, and D. Data validation. And the correct answer is A. Data filtering. 79th. Which option is useful for filtering data? A. File and filter and autofilter, B. Tools and filter and autofilter, C. Data and filter and autofilter, and D. Format and filter and autofilter. And the correct answer is C. Data filter and autofilter. 18th. Which option is useful to close the filter? A. File and filter and autofilter, B. Tools and filter and autofilter, C. Data and filter and autofilter, and D. Format and filter and autofilter. And the correct answer is C. Data and filter and autofilter. 81st. Which type of condition is displayed in standard filter dialog box? A. Largest and smallest, B. Contains, begins with and ends with, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 82nd. Which option is used to avoid errors in entering data? A. Data filtering, B. Data sorting, C. Data inserting, and D. Data validation. And the correct answer is D. Data validation. 83rd. Which options of data validations give some condition or validation for your data? A. Criteria, B. Input health, C. Error alert, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is A. Criteria. 84th. Which tab is used to give help to the user for entering valid data? A. Criteria, B. Input help, C. Error alert, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is B. Input help. 85th. Which tab is used to give some alert message if wrong data is entered? A. Criteria, B. Input help, C. Error alert, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is C. Error alert. 86. Which toolbar displays the spelling check tool button? A. Formatting toolbar, B. Drawing toolbar, C. Standard toolbar, and D. Master toolbar. And the correct answer is C. Standard toolbar. 87th. Which line is displayed under a wrongly entered word? A. Green, B. Red, C. Blue, and D. Yellow. And the correct answer is B. Red. 88. Which type of button is auto spell check? A. Toggle button, B. Twin button, C. Dongle button, and D. Double button. And the correct answer is A. Toggle button. 89th. Which option checks spelling mistake in Calc? A. F5, B. F6, C. F7, and D. F8. And the correct answer is C. F7. 19th. By what on the wrong spelling list of options is displayed? A. Clicking, B. Double clicking, C. Right clicking, and D. Drag and drop. And the correct answer is C. Right clicking. 91st. What is used for spell check in Calc? A. Encyclopedia, B. Dictionary, C. Internet, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is B. Dictionary. 92nd. Which button is used to add a new word in the dictionary of Calc? A. Attach, B. Add, C. Put, and D. Append. And the correct answer is B. Add. 93rd. Which option option is used to search the data and replace? A. Find and change, B. Search and change, C. Find and replace, and D. Search and replace. And the correct answer is C. Find and replace. 94th. What is the shortcut key for find and replace? A. Control plus F, B. Control plus R, C. Control plus D, and D. Control plus E. And the correct answer is A. Control plus F. 95th. Which option is used to find the data and replace? A. File and find replace, B. Format and find and replace, C. Edit and find and replace, and D. View and find and replace. And the correct answer is C. Edit and find and replace. 96. What is the option to search the data in find and replace dialog box? A. Find, B. Find all, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 97th. Which option is advisable before printing a document? A. Print, B. Print preview, C. Page, and D. Page setup. And the correct answer is B. Print preview. 98. Print preview provides view of spreadsheet with which option? A. Page break, B. Margin, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 99. Which option is useful for page preview? A. View and page preview, B. Format and page preview, C. File and page preview, and D. Edit and page preview. And the correct answer is C. File and page preview. 100th. Which of the following are page formatting options? A. Paper tray, B. Page layout, C. Orientation, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 101st. Which type of margin can be set page tab in page style dialog box? A. Top and bottom, B. Left and right, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 102nd. Which option is used to print document? A. Format and print, B. File and print, C. Edit and print, and D. Data and print. And the correct answer is B. File and print. 103rd. Which tool button is used to print the document? A. Print, B. Print preview, C. Print setup, and D. Page setup. And the correct answer is A. Print. 104th. What is the shortcut key to print the document? A. Control plus R, B. Control plus D, C. Control plus P, and D. Control plus L. And the correct answer is C. Control plus P. 105th. What can be done using page break preview? A. See the page and mark, B. Change the page and mark, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. 106. What is useful to see the general view of page? A. File and normal, B. Edit and normal, C. View and normal, and D. Format and normal. And the correct answer is C. View and normal. 107th. The upper part of the page is known as what? A. Header, B. Footer, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Header. 108th. The lower part of the page is known as what? A. Header, B. Footer, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Footer. 109th. Into how many parts header and footer is divided? A3, B4, C5, and D6. And the correct answer is A3. 110th. Which area holds the header and footer part? A. Left area, B. Center area, C. Right area, and D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 111th. How many types of orientation are there in Calc? A1, B2, C3, and D4. And the correct answer is B2. And they are portrait and landscape. 112th. What is the second name of autofill of numbers? A. Arithmetic progression, B. Arithmetic numbers, C. Arithmetic formula, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Arithmetic progression. 113. Which option means selecting more than one cell? A. Cell selection, B. Cell selecting, C. Cell ranging, and D. Cell range. And the correct answer is D. Cell range. 114. When we insert a row in calc, where is the row inserted to the selected row? A left, B right, C above, and D below. And the correct answer is C above. 115. When we insert a column in calc, where is the column inserted to the selected column? A left, B right, C above, and D below. And the correct answer is B right. 116th. When we insert a sheet in calc, where is the sheet inserted to the selected sheet? A before, B after, C both A and B, and D none of these. And the correct answer is C, both A and B. 117th. Which option is useful to get help? A. File and OpenOffice.org help, B. View and OpenOffice.org help, C. Data and OpenOffice.org help, and D. Help and OpenOffice.org help. And the correct answer is D. Help and OpenOffice.org help. 118th. What is the function key to get help? A F1, B F2, C F3, and D F4. And the correct answer is A F1. Thanks for watching. All the best to you all for online test.